turn of the century, life was calm and the business climate was benign for decades. The Western world was thriving. The Japanese juggernaut was at its manufacturing peak and the Third World was steadily creating new consumers. Then, ripples of uncertainty began to be felt. Commercial gravity shifted to another world. Some businesses tanked without logic. And the markets started to describe such behavior with a term borrowed from the military, VUCA.
Anybody who's in business, and particularly in the domain of people management, and does not believe he or she is being impacted by VUCA, is sadly out of sync with the true situation. The signs are often subtle, but the impact is real, very real.
Accelerating technology is one of the key contributors to the VUCA effect, throwing up new factors that were never part of the earlier equation.
Just look at WhatsApp. 5 years ago, nobody had even heard of it. Today, classical tools have become obsolete and mobility is so centrifugal in our lives.
And as the global village grew smaller and smaller, the insulation between economies grew ever thinner.
Jobs have undergone dramatic changes and work-life balance has moved to work-life integration. Motivational propositions of the past are no longer relevant today and employee engagement is gaining new dimensions.
With so much impact on business, VUCA has its impact on people. The HR function needs to relook at their current strategies for building future leadership capabilities, their efforts at talent development, and the absolutely vital talent retention.
The storm is upon us, whether we are aware of it or we are not. Some have mastered the storm and their experiences can benefit all of us. Listen to the industry skippers in Mumbai, 20th to 22nd November. Come, let's ride the storm together.
18th NHRDN National Conference, Sustainable Growth in VUCA Times, the New Talent Agenda, 20th to 22nd November, Renaissance, Mumbai. Register now.